Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make Threads account public, and here's how it is done. Step 1. Open the Threads app. Start by opening the Threads app on your device. Tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen to go to your profile. Step 2. Locate the lock icon. At the top left corner of your profile, you will see a small lock icon. This indicates that your account is currently set to private. Step 3. Tap the lock icon. Go ahead and tap the lock icon. A prompt will appear at the top of your screen, displaying the word private. If you're ready to make your account public, look for the toggle switch in the prompt. Step 4. Switch to a public profile. Slide the toggle switch to change your account from private to public. Once you do that, a confirmation prompt will pop up. Simply tap OK to confirm the change. Step 5. Check your profile. Now go back to your profile and you will notice that the lock icon has changed to a globe icon, signaling that your account is now public. This means anyone can follow you on Threads and engage with your content. And that is everything you need to know about how to make Threads account public. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.